Hi friends, I am Jesfer. I am a mouth painting artist and also I am a member of VDMFK. Today I am going to show you how to draw cat and snail with some simple line. Today I am using here 0-point long hair brush. If you don't have brush in your hand, you can use color pencil, color pen, crayons, marker pen and etc. First we are going to draw a snail with some simple line. We begin this by a circle. This is shell of snail. Now let's draw the head and body of snail. Finally we draw the eyes of snail. The round part should be shaded with black. And one thing, you should leave here to some light spot. So here is the picture of snail. Next one is cat. First we are going to draw face of cat, nose, mouth and eyes. Now we are drawing an oval shape for head. We can draw the ears just like the writing letter A. This is 4 legs. Then we are drawing the center part of the body. Then back legs. Now we are drawing the cat's tail. The thing I love most about drawing a cat is its tail. And never forget to draw a cat's mustache. Some areas should be shaded with black, like eye, nose and mouth. To make it more attractive, we can do a few colors here. So our painting is finished. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and develop your creative skills by staying safe at home this time. Everything will be fine. Thank you.